Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning from Auroville. Today is day 2, and we are going out to 2 beaches which are very close from our hostel. 5 kilometers maximum distance from here, and we already have the scooties with us. So we will be going there. It's early morning. It's around 7:45.
7:45.
Yeah, 7:45 in the morning. So we are going out to have some fun in the beaches. Also, we just went out to have some tea. And you won't believe that the quantity of tea over here that they give. Like initially we thought it's about of 20-25 rupees, but then he said that it's just of 10 rupees. I have been to Chennai before, and one thing that I've always felt is the quality of their milk is very rich, like it's very good, thick. So here also today I experienced the same thing. The taste is really, really nice. Though he poured in a lot of sugar, but that's I think okay.
Good morning from Pondicherry!
Hip hip! Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip!
सुबह 8 बजे इतना एनर्जी लेके लोगों को गुड मॉर्निंग बोलते हुए कभी सुना है? शायद नहीं। कल रात हम लोग ऐसे सोए जैसे ज़िंदगी का पहली नींद हो, लेकिन सुबह उठते ही वी वर फुल ऑन एनर्जी। तो चलिए, लेट्स बिगिन आवर मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट डे एट ऑरोविल। वो क्यों? चलिए बताते हैं। हॉस्टल से निकलते ही कुछ 15-20 मिनट्स में हम लोग पहुंच गए थे क्वाइट बीच, विच इज़ इंडीड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल बीचेस ऑफ पौंडीचेरी। कहते हैं इट्स ब्यूटी इज़ स्टिल अनस्पॉइल्ड, स्टिल अनटच्ड। कुछ 5-6 लोगों के सिवा बीच पूरा हमारा ही था। आई रियली एन्जॉय डूइंग दिस, क्योंकि ये ट्रिप हमारे लिए कितना स्पेशल था ये समझाना बहुत मुश्किल है। It's very difficult to get a team of 8 people on the same track. हम लड़े, झगड़े, डिसएग्री किए, पर फिर भी इस ट्रिप पे आए। और ये ट्रिप ने ये तो ज़रूर समझाया है कि हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट इट इज़ कि ज़िंदगी में एक बार एटलीस्ट आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ घूमने जाओ, अदरवाइज लाइफ रिमेन्स इनकम्प्लीट। ऑलमोस्ट 1 घंटा स्पेंड करके और कुछ 100-200 फ़ोटोज़ खींच के इट वॉज टाइम टू लीव फॉर आवर नेक्स्ट स्पॉट। So it's 10:30 in the morning right now, and we just came out from the quiet beach. We went to the Serenity beach as well, but it's quite similar to the quiet beach, so we didn't quite get down the scooty there. Right now we are headed to Matri Mandir, and like I have been here before, but it's my second time here. Let me see how the things have changed right now. Matri Mandir.
Matri Mandir?
Matri Mandir straight. Okay. Parking is there only. Oh, thank you.
Matri Mandir parking?
Straight. Two-wheeler left side. Left side two-wheeler. Which side?
First side.
So right now we are headed towards Auroville Matri Mandir. It's a long walk from the parking. We met a person and he said that you have to walk around 3-4 kilometers to the actual thing, that the dome-like structure that's there. And right now for COVID, you cannot get inside for meditation. You have to book beforehand to meditate there. So it's just for the seeing purpose, and the road here is nice, but it's a long walk, so it's better to come in the morning. Right now it's a bit hot because it's the month of March, and try coming in the morning. It will help. This place is like a 1-minute walk from the parking, and it has got cafeteria, it has got bookshop, an exhibition is also going on there that side. So like like a bit of relaxation before you start walking the main road. It's a long road from here, as the people say us. It's a nice place. The environment is also quite good here. Many people are going inside the boutiques, and there are also home decor items and everything here. I bought a few things from here. It's a boutique store. The prices are a bit high. I bought a few incense sticks, of different scents actually. So I hope they will turn out good. There were also t-shirts and authentic cups and glasses and quite a lot of things. So we just collected our passes from the information center and we started walking. You have to collect your passes from there, otherwise they won't let you enter. So don't forget to collect your passes before starting to walk, otherwise you have to go back all the way to collect your passes. Actually they won't let you enter only. So there's a gate right outside the information center where you have to show your passes and then only you can enter. It's free, it doesn't cost anything. So we have finally reached the Matri Mandir viewing point after a walk of 1.5 kilometers. It's a long walk and it's very hot. So we are done visiting and we are getting back to the bus. Buses ply from here only while returning time. You don't have to walk 1.5 kilometers if buses are available. You can take buses back to the point where you have parked your car or whatever. And the buses are free as well. Once we came back to the bus stop, we waited for our bus to arrive. Kuch आधा घंटा बाद our bus came and then we came back to the parking. वहाँ से अपना scooties लेके we started moving कि we saw this auntie selling some beautiful items. हमने उनसे बहुत सारे questions पूछे about the items she was selling and we also bought a few things from her. And we'll be shifting to White Town, but before we check out of Auroville, we have one cafe to explore which is adjacent to the Woodpecker Hostel, that is the Mark's Cafe. It has got a great ambience. You can sit there and work as well and some good food as well. So let's check out how the cafe is before we leave for White Town. Mark's Cafe is one of the most beautiful French cafes of Pondicherry. And it's a must-visit cafe for everyone. I wanted to film the beautiful interior, but they said no. So after having a sandwich and a brownie, we left for White Town. सारे लगेजेस हमने ऑटो से ही भेज दिए थे. And we arrived here just with our scooties. So today was not a very eventful day at all. I'm disappointed. Because I wanted to visit a few cafes in White Town which I couldn't today or we couldn't today. We shifted from Auroville to White Town, a distance of around 10 kilometers, and it took us like around 2 hours or 3 hours to get fresh. And we got out in the evening. We went to a cafe called Coromandel Cafe, which is a very famous cafe in White Town. But then it was full. Tomorrow is our last day in Pondicherry and we have shifted to a very good hotel which I'll show you tomorrow morning. We came to this hotel named Cuisine de Pondi. It's inside a place named Anandha Inn, which is not very far from White Town. It's a nice place, it has got some good environment. The food was good, like South Indian also, North Indian also. You get like as you wish. Bit pricey, but then it's okay, it's fine. And we didn't get to the cafe, so we had to come because we didn't have breakfast, we didn't have lunch. So we had lunch right now, which is again another disappointment. और इसी डिसअपॉइंटमेंट को हैप्पीली एक्सेप्ट करते हुए वी कॉल्ड इट अ डे क्योंकि बॉडी तो गिव अप कर ही चुका था और माइंड भी। तो चलिए मिलते हैं वाइट टाउन में इन माई नेक्स्ट व्लॉग। टिल देन बाय गाइस, गुड नाइट एंड टेक केयर।